Hello everyone, I am Kamlesh Kumar Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Basic Science from Oriental College of Technology. I am present on presentation probability distribution functions. Find the value of k of probability density function fx equal to kx square interval 0 to 3 and 0 otherwise. Find the value of following one interval 1 less than x less than 2 and distribution function fx mean and variance and standard deviation. Solution given that f of x equal to kx square interval 0 to 3 and function 0 otherwise. By the definition of a probability density function of fx is integration minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx equal to 1, then k 0 to integration 0 to 3 x square dx, then k x cube upon 3 limit 0 to 3 and put the value k g minus 9 minus 0 equal to 1, k equal to 1 by 9. Find the value of p 1 less than x less than 2. We know that by definition of probability density function p a less than x less than b equal to a to b fx dx, then integration 1 to 2 k x square dx equal to 1 by 9 x cube upon 3 1 to 2, then 1 by 27 8 minus 1 equal to 7 by 27, then p 1 less than x less than 2 equal to 7 by 27. To find the distribution function fx, since the distribution function fx equal to p x less than x integration limit minus infinity to x fx dx k 0 to x x square dx, then 1 by 9 x cube upon 3 limit 0 to 3 1 by 27 x cube of then fx equal to x cube upon 27. To find the mean mu1 dash equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity x fx dx, then 0 to 3 fx dx, then k 0 to 3 x, then x square dx, then 1 by 9 x की power 4 upon 4 limit 0 to 3, then 1 by 36 81 minus 0 equal to 9 by 4. To find the variance mu2 dash equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity x square fx dx 0 to 3 x square k x square dx, put the value of k equal to 1 by 9, then 1 by 9 into 5 243 minus 0 mu2 dash equal to 27 by 5. Variance v equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash का whole square equal to 27 by 5 minus 9 by 4 का whole square equal to 27 by 80. The variance v equal to 27 by 80. To find the standard deviation sigma, since variance equal to sigma square, sigma equal to under root of sigma equal to under root variance equal to 27 upon 80 3 root 15 upon 20, sigma equal to 3 root 15 upon 20. The random variable x is the following distribution: x minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2, then p of x 0.2 0.1 0.3 0.3 0.1. Find e of x and variance. The mean deviation of random distribution random variable is defined as sigma e of x equal to sigma xi pi pxi plus px2 px2, then x3 px3 x4 px4 plus x5 px5. Put the value of x1 and px1, then finally v x equal to 0. The variance of distribution random variable is defined as variance v equal to ex square minus ex का whole square, ex square equal to sigma x square I pxi. Put the value of x1 px1 and then we get variance v equal to 1.4 minus 0 का whole square equal to 1.4. Then improvement yourself exercise. Thank you very much.